Hey folks, welcome to First Motors Dubai. Today, this is the second showroom that I'll be visiting for Supercars and I'll be showing you the inventory. This is the SLR Sterling now. It's just one of the crates. We have only 75 of these ever made back in 2009. It's inspired by racing and motorsport. That's why we don't have the windshield and the glass as well. Then you have this limited edition Bugatti Lamborghini 1260. Nice, great looking bikes. A couple of Ferrari Enzos and Ferrari Aportas as well, and Ferrari. It's nice seeing an Enzo in yellow. You don't see that much often. And you have the Ford GT. th anniversary Ferrari. Then you have this ultra rare 288 GTO 1984 among the 5 classic Ferraris, namely the 288 GTO, the F40, F50, the Enzo and the Ferrari Ford GT. SLR Mclaren 722S edition. This is the car that you see. I have seen quite a few times in Dubai dealerships. McLaren P1, standard McLaren P1, SF90, 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 SF90. This is the studio that they use at First Motors to take photographs of new cars. So you have the 765LT standing, F12 TDF, Tour de France, 2 of them in fact. Land Rover, Rolls-Royce Cayman, Urus, Brabus G Wagon, 4x4. This is a Golden Jubilee edition, G63. Brabus Mercedes G-Wagon again. This looks like a familiar car, but I'm not sure. Looks like a Lamborghini. Then you have the GT2 RS Club Sport. You don't see these very often again. It's completely ripped out. You have only one seat, racing steering wheel, roll cage, sort of weight reduction. Sounding as well. 765LT. Maybach GLS 600. Slew of new wagons again. Rolls-Royce Mansouris. So that 765LT looks good. Cadillac Escalade. Huracan STO, Huracan Performante, Aventador SV Roadster, Lamborghini Murcielago SV, LP670-4. This is from 2009. Great, the great sound of the V12. We don't make cars like these anymore. Rolls Royce's black badges, Ghosts, Dawns, Wraiths. You name them, we have it here. The new Maserati MC20, F8 Tributo, 458 Speciale Porta, one of the greatest naturally aspirated Ferraris ever made, and one of my favorite cars. F8 Tributo Spider. 812 GTS, 458 Speciale, standard spec, F430 Scuderia. And yes, this is one more exciting car that I got to see. I haven't seen this before. This is the 2002 Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale. car made for the track. V8 housing. Two AMG GT Black Series Mercedes. This is in orange color. This is another SLR Mclaren. It's a special edition by Mansory again. You can see the carbon weave with the carbon fiber threads. Lamborghini Veneno, Roadster, Cheyenne. This is a car that I've come across the first time. It's the SL65 AMG Stealth Edition. I guess it's a rip-off of the Brabus SL65 or the Black Series. This is legendary V12 bi-turbo. This is a beautiful blue 599. It's a GTO again. Again, one of the classics, the Ferrari F50 1995 V12. Spine-tingling car, and among the poster of cars for many of the people from that era, including myself. That is the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, which has the world record for the fastest car, 304 miles an hour. The Bugatti Chiron Per Sport. Then you have the Bugatti Divo. It's like Christmas came early. Santa Claus. Oh, both of them are Divos. McLaren Senna. E1. The new Lamborghini LPI 800 Countach, I believe. It's a great car. Pays homage to the original Countach from the 1980s. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the showroom. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you. Have a great day.